Hi there, this is Lawrence Simon, a technical writer on the documentation team at cPanel. There are two kinds of forwarders, account forwarders and domain forwarders. Account forwarders allow you to send a copy of every mail message an account receives to another address or domain. There are also domain forwarders, which will forward every message that goes to a domain. Here we are in the cPanel interface with the Paper Lantern theme. Let's scroll down to the email group and then click the Forwarders icon. The Forwarders interface will appear. At the bottom of the interface, we see a list of forwarders that are already on the account. Let's go back up and there we go. Click Add Forwarder. Another interface will appear. Enter the email address that you wish to forward in the Address to Forward field. Let's go with username. Select the correct domain in the drop-down menu. We'll forward the address username@example.com. So, where are we going to forward the messages? We have 5 options here. If you don't see 5, click on Advanced Options to show all of them. To specify a forwarding address, select Forward to Email Address and enter the address. We could set this to forward@example.com. What else is there? To discard incoming email messages and automatically send a failure message to the sender, select Discard with Error to Sender and enter the message in the Failure Message field. It defaults to No such person at this address. That's what the sender will get in response when they try to send mail to username@example.com. To forward email messages to a system user's account, select Forward to a System Account and select the appropriate username. You can view this account under Accounts, then Default Email Account, and then access webmail. Be sure to check it because it can fill up pretty quick. To forward email messages to a program, such as a script that sends mail to a database or something that does other things to it, select Pipe to a Program and then enter the program path relative to your home directory. That's what the house icon represents. To delete email messages without sending a failure message to the sender, select Discard. We do not recommend this option because the sender will be unaware of the delivery failure, and they might miss something important. Have you made your choice? Okay, then let's click Add Forwarder. And we're done. To return to the main forwarders page, click Go Back. Tracing an email account forwarder allows you to locate a possible routing error. Let's click Trace in the Actions column next to the appropriate email account forwarder. A new interface appears that displays the path that forwarded email messages will take. To return to the forwarders page, click Go Back. If we want to go ahead and delete an email account forwarder, click Delete in the Actions column next to the email account forwarder that you wish to delete. A confirmation message will appear. Are you sure? Then click Delete Forwarder. And it's gone. To return to the forwarders page, click Go Back. Okay, that's enough about account forwarders. Let's move on to domain forwarders. To add an email domain forwarder, click Add Domain Forwarder. In the drop-down menu, select the domain from which to forward email messages. Then, in the blank field, enter the domain to forward messages to. We'll type example1.com. Click Add Domain Forwarder. And there you go. All the messages to the example.com domain are now going to the example1.com domain. To return to the forwarder's page, click Go Back. To remove that email domain forwarder, click Delete next to the appropriate email domain forwarder. A confirmation message will appear. Click Delete Domain Forwarder to go ahead and delete it. To return to the forwarder's page, click Go Back. For more about cPanel, go to cPanel.net or follow @cPanel on Twitter. Thank you for watching, and happy automating.